Most of the time with the subway map, you'll be working with points or dots and lines drawn between those points, inferring where someone lived in between those periods. But sometimes you'll run into a record like this obituary for an ancestor that said he lived 7 years in Weber County, 20 years in Salt Lake County, and then 8 years in Utah County. So Family Search Tree gives you the option to enter a range. You can enter from 1909 to 1917. And then if you do, the subway map will draw a solid line for that period. You'll see something like this where there's a solid line and then a square icon representing the range that you've entered. So most of the time you'll keep the dots and the inferred lines, the dashed lines. But if you really do know where someone lived during a range, you can use that feature in the tree to get a solid line and really nail down where they lived at that time.